Okay, there's a minute to go for market closing, and we're going to wrap things up. The market kind of failing to build on gains, and we are going to once again close under the 20-day moving average, 17,860. It may be a matter of time before we cross it, but we did give back about 30 points, I think, in the last, from the high point, basically. Metals, IT, and pharma, the global-facing sectors did the best, but all sectoral indices were in the green. Surabhi.
Bank Nifty, Prashant, that's the one that's played spoil sport today. So as we're going home, Axis Bank, Kotak, these are some of the names on the downside. SBI, ICICI Bank, you're not seeing too much of excitement on these stocks. But on the flip side, of course, plenty of winners in the IT space today. Check out Infosys, about a 2% pop over there. TCS, HCL Tech, most of these stocks on the upside. The insurers had a good run, finally heaving a sigh of relief. HDFC Life, SBI Life, Max Financial, most of these stocks have been up and about. And relief for the Adani Group as well. Most of these stocks. Adani Ports on the Nifty about 9% higher. If I move on, Adani Enterprises has had a big recovery today, 23% up on that stock. And then, of course, it was the day of new age plays. Remember, Zomato is reporting numbers tomorrow. Let's see what it does. 9% on that stock. Paytm, thanks to the big Macquarie upgrade, 15% higher there. Nykaa and a couple of others also had a pretty good session for themselves. And then you had some positive result reactions in the form of the GNFC, Deepak Nitrite, Thermax. These were some of the other names on the upside. So largely speaking, a pretty decent day for the mid-cap market as well. The broader market, of course, the benchmarks doing quite okay, but banks under some stress as the bond market, of course, was also evaluating the hawkishness of the policy with respect to the future of course, tightening, or perhaps more liquidity tightening. That was a takeaway from the MPC. Well, with that, we come to the end of this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you very much for watching. We will take